Hello everyone, today we have a small, quick glass tile backsplash installation. Alright, let's get started. One of the first things I always do is take off all of the sheet mosaic tiles and check them to make sure that they fit well together and that they don't have any cracks and things like that. Once I have the layout for what I plan to do with this installation, if I'm going to do anything custom, like in this case I'm doing a custom border, I make sure to make those before I start the installation. This is glass, so it's very sharp. I try to get some of that sharpness off by polishing it. Already have about 9 linear feet of custom bullnose. Backsplashes are probably one of the easiest DIY projects anybody can attempt to do with tile. It's just mastic right onto the walls. The whole process looks pretty quick, but this is really how you actually move. You have to press them in, make sure that they get properly adhered. Really important to try to keep them straight as well. You can use other border types. You can use cedar trim and other glass trims, but I personally like to make these little corners instead. I think it just looks really clean and really nice. Here's a quick preview of what the border looks like without grout. Now it's time for grouting. I am using Laddercrete Permacolor here because it has some of the finest aggregate and it looks very smooth, which goes really well with the smooth glass tile. There you have it. A beautiful subway glass backsplash installation. If you like videos like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.